Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select this layer line 2 and go to anchor point and move the anchor point to center like this. And let's press R and change rotation like this. And let's create new rotation keyframe. Go to 1 second and chain rotation like this, and select keyframes, make it easy or click F9, preview animation. Okay, so select keyframes, go to graph editor and make it smooth graph. Back to keyframe, select last keyframe, move to right. Okay, in this time let's select this line 2 and numbers, and also center line 1 and circle. Let's link to layer body. Select layer body. Let's see. Okay, let's go to anchor point and move to down. Ankylization tool, go to first second, press S, open scale, and click this icon and create scale keyframe. Go to 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame keyframes, use page down in keyboard 1 to 3. And change scale like this. For example, 95. Again, go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3. Let's write here 102. Again, 3 keyframes, 1 to 3. Write 90. Again, 3 keyframes. Let's add 98. Again, 3 keyframes, 95. Again, 3 keyframes, 100. And select keyframes, let's copy and Ctrl V for paste keyframes. Again, select all keyframes, copy, and go to last keyframe and Ctrl V for paste. Let's see. Okay, this is very speedily. Select keyframes, hold Alt and move to right for a little bit slowly. Okay, that's good. And in this time, go to first second and select this right and move the anchor point to here. Ankylization tool and press R, open rotation, create rotation keyframe, chain rotation 6 or 10. Again, go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, change rotation -10. Again, 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change 10. And select these 3 keyframes. Let's zoom to here. Let's make the keyframes easy. Hold Alt, click time icon, go to play button, property, and use loop out duration expression. And for down expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, this is very speedily. Select these 3 keyframes, hold Alt and move to right a little bit to right, like this. Nice. And select these rotation keyframes, copy, select left layer, press R, and move the anchor point to down. Ankylization tool, and let's paste keyframes. Let's see. Okay, for random animation, select these 3 keyframes, move to right for 2 keyframes. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this layer right and hold Shift, press P. Let's create new path in keyframe, go to middle and move to down like this. Go to next keyframe, select first keyframe, copy path, and make it keyframes easy. Also, let's hold Alt, click time icon, play button, property, and loop out duration. And let's see. Nice, let's do this for random. Select 3 paths in keyframes, move to right a little bit. Let's move to right more. Nice. This is much more realistic. I like it. And let's select this layer left, go to first second, and let's hold Shift, press P, and create new path in keyframe. Go to middle, move to down, go to next keyframe, select first keyframe, copy path. Make the keyframes easy, and hold Alt, go to position, play button, property, and loop out duration. Let's see. Nice, that's good. Select this layer right and left, move to right, and let's see timing. Okay, in this time we can use these two layers. And let's Ctrl D for duplicate, move to up and change buff colors, red. And move to left and go to edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D, delete. So we have two version layers. First version still layers and next version with keyframes. Select these right to and left to, press U and remove all keyframes. Let's hold Alt, click here and remove also these keyframes. And let's see. Okay, in this time, select this layer body, select keyframes and move to right. And move to left. Nice, very good. Okay, the last one, select this layer center, press P, move to down and move to behind of layer body. And let's create new passing keyframe, go to here and move to up, go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, move to down, again 1 to 3, move to up. Make keyframes easy. Let's see. Nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good day. Good luck.